Stay true to the modern version of the kettle that started it all, the original kettle, invented by Weber's founder, and loved around the world. Its ultra-durable, porcelain-enameled lid and bowl retain heat, while the damper easily adjust for precise temperature control. With a one-touch cleaning system for easy cleanup after a long day of grilling, the original kettle will always be the grill built for everyone. Holds up to 13 burgers made with a Weber burger press. One-touch cleaning system provides hassle-free ash cleanup, removable, aluminum ash catcher, porcelain enameled lid and bowl retain heat, and won't rust or peel. Use the lid hook to avoid placing the lid on the ground while grilling. Dampers allow you to easily control the temperature inside your grill. 3D interactive assembly instructions for this product are available through the free BLT app. Superior heat retention. The porcelain enameled lid and bowl retain heat for consistent temperature and even cooking. The finish also prevents rusting, cracking, and peeling while withstanding high grilling temps. One-touch cleaning system. The one-touch cleaning system provides hassle-free charcoal ash and debris cleanup by sweeping it into the rust-resistant ash catcher. Lid hook. The angled lid hook allows you to conveniently hang your lid on the side of the grill to avoid placing it on the ground. Precise heat control. Control the temperature of your grill without lifting the lid by easily adjusting the damper. Closing the damper completely will cut off the oxygen flow to help extinguish coals. The heat shield helps prevent your lid handle from getting too hot. Durable cooking grate. The durable, easy to clean, plated steel cooking grate retains heat for even and consistent grilling. Customer ratings by feature: sturdiness, 4.7 star, easy to clean, 4.6 star, easy to assemble, 4.6 star, value for money, 4.6 star.